Welcome to a new episode of Miss Janice Tells History. Today I'm going to present you with a story that is both strange and unforgettable. The story of the women who went to work in munitions factories during the First World War and soon became known as the Canary Girls. When the war began in 1914, most men left their jobs to fight at the front. But factories back home needed workers, especially munitions to make bullets and shells. That's when women stepped in. Imagine going to work every day and slowly turning yellow. Your skin, your hair, even your eyes, not because of paint, but because of your job. This was the reality for thousands of women during the First World War. They were called the Canary Girls. The Canary Girls worked with TNT, a powerful explosive called trinitrotoluene, probably the most difficult word in English. The powder got everywhere, into the air, onto their clothes, and deep into their skin. At first, women laughed about it. Their faces and hair slowly turned a bright yellow color. Some even glowed faintly in the dark after a long shift. Soon, people started calling them the Canary Girls, after the small yellow birds. But the nickname hid a darker truth. TNT was toxic. It caused headaches, nausea, and liver damage. Some women gave birth to canary babies, children born with yellow skin. Still, the factories kept running and the women kept working. For many women, this was the first time they earned real money. In fact, they were often paid more than in domestic service. And more than money, what was happening there is that they felt proud. They were doing their bit for the soldiers at the front. Inside the factories, a sense of sisterhood grew. They supported each other, laughed together through the dangers, and just carried on. Now imagine yourself in 1916. Your brother is at the front. Your country is desperate for shells. The pay is good, but the chemicals will stain your skin and may destroy your health. Would you take the job? Even today, many jobs still involve risks, from miners and firefighters to hospital workers. The Canary Girls remind us that the Great War wasn't just fought on the battlefield, but also in the factories, on the very skin of those who kept the war machine alive. This was Miss Janice Tells History. Thank you for listening. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more incredible stories from the past. Until next time, keep your curiosity alive.